Alright guys, so this is another video about the Osmo Pocket. This time I want to show you guys the tracking that this Osmo Pocket has. And this is also at night. It's pretty much pitch black, as you guys could see. And I'm going to follow a subject through a crowd and see if the Osmo Pocket could pick it up. DJI is known to have drones that could active track you while you go behind the targets and it still picks you up. So let's see if this little device could do the same. So without wasting any time, let's jump in and see how this performs. So from the footage we saw right now, it honestly performed much better than I expected. I followed the target around through the crowd and I went behind the obstacles, as you guys could see, and it always picked the target up from where it lost it. So I think this thing does a really good job. And as you guys can see right now, I'm also doing tracking on my face. So if I do quick movements, the camera still kind of picks me up and adjusts. So this is crazy. Like, for this type of camera and this price mark, this is one of the best cameras that you could get on the market right now, in my opinion. Beats the GoPro because they do not have the self-tracking on the camera itself. Yes, this is not waterproof, but this is meant to do different things like cinematic shots. This is pretty much one type of camera on the go. You don't need anything else. You got this for your vlogs, your cinema shots, so you could do crazy slow motions with this and much more. So I'm gonna do a couple more tracking, but on the objects, not people. So let's see how that comes out as well. Alright guys, so that's going to pretty much wrap up the video. That's all the shots I was able to take for you guys of the slow motion, active track of the subjects plus like objects and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas to everyone. It's funny because I'm in Glendale Galleria right now, and I'm walking around with this, doing a little vlog for you guys and filming. And a lot of people are stopping by, staring, asking me what is this, because no one's seen this thing before. It's so new, and there's nothing out there right now on the market that looks like this. So it's pretty cool to show people. So if you guys are still debating if you should get this thing, my answer is definitely. It's a game changer for people that make videos on the go. Check it out for yourself. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell, and I'll catch you on the next episode. See ya. Hey guys, another quick mention. My good friend Das, or as many of you guys may know him from Opinions Matter, found this trick to attach the microphone to this Osmo Pocket. And as everyone knows right now, all the accessories for this Osmo Pocket are completely sold out. So you cannot attach a microphone to Osmo Pocket right now. But he found this cool, neat little trick that costs about $5. And you'll have an external microphone attached. So all the background noise and wind noise will be dramatically reduced. And you'll be... Sorry guys, Osmo Pocket is glitching out. There we go. And you'll be able to make much nicer videos or vlogs. So I'll have the link down in the description for his channel and for the video. So check that out, because it's pretty much a game changer right now. Let me know if you guys got this device, the Osmo Pocket, and if you didn't, let me know what's holding you back. I'll see you guys in the next video.